Apple's new flagship phone, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, is here and it's bigger than ever. One of the biggest changes the iPhone received is its telephoto camera. Apple upgraded the telephoto camera to reach further at a 2.5x zoom and also made night mode possible. However, instead of an f2.0 aperture, the 12 Pro Max comes with an f2.2. In this video, we're going to compare the telephoto cameras of the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the 11 Pro Max. Let's jump into it. One of the most obvious differences between the 11 Pro Max and 12 Pro Max are the focal lengths. The 11 comes with a 52mm equivalent, while the 12 comes with a 65mm. Although this is a slight difference, you can see it in this photo here. For bokeh, the 11 Pro Max has a very slight advantage, but hardly noticeable. Both images are equally sharp and exposes the image as well. The color science of the 12 Pro Max is a bit more vibrant as the skies are more blue, the cactus is more green, and the fence is more brown. Shooting against the sun brings us similar results as well. For this one, the 12 has a better image as it's more contrasted and seems to separate the shadows and highlights better. It also looks a little bit sharper as well. We then threw our telephoto lens into the mix to see how it compares to the images of the native cameras. The telephoto lens on the wide angle is similar to the 11 Pro Max focal length. However, we did notice the bokeh looked a lot better compared to the other cameras. The wide angle camera on the 12 Pro Max is an f1.6, so it does create the natural bokeh. We also put the telephoto lens on the telephoto camera of the 12 Pro Max to essentially make it a 5x zoom. Although the 12 Pro Max is an f2.2, the lens creates a more natural bokeh here as well, since it's a longer focal length. The colors of the 12 Pro Max also make it a more vibrant image. Here's a quick comparison of the different focal lengths from the 11 Pro Max at 52mm. Then the 12 Pro Max at 65mm, and then our telephoto lens on top of the telephoto camera at 130mm equivalent. The 11 Pro Max doesn't come with night mode, so we took this picture using ProCam and adjusted the exposure to the slowest shutter speed that we can take a handheld photo. However, the 12 Pro Max comes with night mode, and here's how the images compare. The 12 Pro Max once again has more vibrant colors than the 11 Pro Max. The 11 still takes a usable image given there's still a little light to capture, but the darker the environment gets, the 12 will pull away because of night mode. Once again, we tried to see if our telephoto lens can take a decent photo at 5x, and we were impressed. With this test, we were more impressed with the image stabilization of the 12 Pro Max's camera. With the telephoto on the wide or telephoto cameras of the 12, you can still take photos and videos easily, while it's a little bit more difficult on the 11 Pro Max. Let's test this out further in video. The 12 Pro Max looks to handle handheld videos very well, while the 11 Pro Max is still good. However, you can still see a few of the micro shakes. The 12 Pro Max's colors are also a little bit warmer and more vibrant, just like the images. Even when putting our telephoto lens on telephoto camera, the 12 Pro Max still stabilizes the images very well. As a result, we think the 12 Pro Max has a complete advantage in the stabilization category. For low light, we found that both iPhones still struggle to capture great footage. The 11 Pro Max can expose the image a little bit better due to a wider aperture. However, it's still rough. Once again, the 12 Pro Max's stabilization is really good. The wide-angle camera of the 12 Pro Max has the widest aperture the iPhone has ever got with an f1.6 camera. We wanted to see if it would be an improvement in video if we put a telephoto lens on it. We did see the exposure improve a bit by exposing the image more. However, the shadows are still grainy. Overall, both iPhones are great phones. The 11 Pro Max is still a great phone to take versatile images with. However, the 12 Pro Max does bring enough features to make it worth considering. With night mode on all cameras and better stabilization, it's a great all-around camera. If you take photos and videos often and want the best quality, get the 12 Pro Max. However, if you're a casual shooter but still want great images and videos, the 11 is just fine. Like and subscribe for more videos like this one.